Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be using the LA Colors Intense Color and Shine eyeshadow palette, and I'm bringing you this frosted pink and fuchsia eye look. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. As a base, I'm starting off with my NYX Jumbo Crayon in the color Milk. And we're just going to pack this on both eyelids. And then we're going to blend it out. Now with my Wet n Wild flat brush and some Hard Candy brightening setting spray, I'm going to spray the brush and start off with the purpley fuchsia color. And you definitely have to keep going back into this color to build it up and get the right intensity that you want. But I'm packing this on the inner third of the eyelid. And I'm just going to keep packing on the color. Now going into the silver color, we're going to put this on the outer edge of the eyelid and make it fade into the fuchsia color. Again, we will definitely have to pack on more of this color to get the desired intensity. And as you blend, you'll definitely see the color very well in the transition. Now taking my Morphe M433 brush, I'm just going to blend the two colors a little bit better, get rid of the edges and all that. Now to give the look more definition and depth, I'm going to be adding the Smoke and Mirrors purple topper over the fuchsia section. And it's going to give it more glimmer and shine and make the look really pretty. Now with my leaf flat brush, I'm going to go back into the silver color and just top more of that on because some of the color faded away when I was putting on the topper. Now I'm taking my NYX eyeliner in black, and I'm just going to start creating a wing. And then I'm just going to finish off the wings off camera because this particular eyeliner is a little bit hard to work with on camera. Now going in with my Jordana Aqua Lash Jumbo Crayon, This is going to be the first eyeliner we put on the lower lash line and waterline. And then with my Clean Colors pencil brush, I'm going to go back into the palette and we're going to take this nice like indigo-y kind of bluish purple color. And we're going to smoke that out on the lower lash line and blend it with the blue. I believe it really makes the blue stand out and gives it an extra pop of color. I really wanted it to have that baboon look, man. Now with my skinny mascara from Wet n Wild, we're just gonna put that on the bottom lashes. And then for the top lashes, I'm taking my favorite mascara, my Total Temptation mascara, and we're just going to place this on our lashes. Now taking this Broadway lipstick, I'm going to place this on my lips. It smells really good. Smell good, guys. And yeah, this is pretty much the finished look. I hope you guys like this shiny eyeshadow tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!